Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from a band called YUNZII. This is the AL80 CNC aluminum mechanical keyboard, and it has some great features like this display right here on the right hand side. We have double shot PBT keycaps, 3-mode connection. That will be Bluetooth connection, so you can connect it to, I don't know, for example, your phone, any device that supports Bluetooth. We have wireless with a 2.4 gigahertz dongle. You can plug that into your laptop or your PC. And of course, we have the wire mode. They included a cable, they included everything, so you can charge it with the same cable or you can use it as wired. I'm going to show you guys in a second. And we have custom linear switches. Pretty much that's the box. It's a quite nice looking box. Here we have some technical specs and warnings in different languages, and pretty much that's it. It's a pretty simple looking box. I am going to go ahead now and open the box. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, and after that we are going to put it to the test next to our gaming setup so you guys can get a better understanding on how it will look next to your setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So as always, let's start with the manuals first. So we have a user guide right here in different languages. It will tell you about the shortcuts, but we also have this one right here. Will tell you all the shortcuts and what this keyboard can do. So I suggest you give this to a read so you can understand the keyboard better and obviously use it to its max potential. We have a switch and a keycap puller, pretty basic one. We have a USB type A to USB type C cable. You can use this, as I said, for charging, or you can use this to basically use the keyboard in wired mode. They also included 2 spare switches. These are 5-pin switches right here. I don't know if the camera can focus on it. Let's give it a second. Yeah, basically there are 5-pin switches. Let's see if you will focus. There we go. So we have 5-pin switches right here. They're linear switches. They sound really good. The whole keyboard sounds really good. I'm going to show you guys in a second. And basically we have the keyboard. So the keyboard is on right now. I turned it on. If you want to turn it on, basically you have a switch in the back right here, which will be for Bluetooth, wired and wireless. Right now it's on wireless mode. We have the wireless receiver right here in the back, and we have the type C port used for charging or wire mode in the exact same spot, just in between them. Now this keyboard has this OLED screen which can be customized to either an image to show you some data, for example your time, or maybe a GIF. So to do that, to do the GIF, I think it's FN plus 0, that's the GIF, FN plus 9, the image, and FN plus 8, the information screen, which will show you basically the time, the connection mode, and if you're in Windows or Mac mode. This keyboard is via customizable, so you can customize all the keys, you can customize the lighting. It's absolutely great. If you want to customize the image and everything else for the OLED screen, you have to use their own app. It also comes with this knob right here, so you can adjust the volume, you can press on it to pause or play. Really great features. And on the back, if you have a look on the back of the keyboard right here, you have this beautiful rainbow effect plate on the back, which we're gonna have to peel off to look better. We have 4 rubber feet, so once you place it, you'll make sure it doesn't go anywhere. It's really stable. The keyboard has a really nice weight to it, being CNC aluminum, so it's not lightweight, but it's not heavy either. It's exactly the right amount, and pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. So for now, let's go ahead and put it to the test. We're gonna connect it to our PC, and maybe I'll get the microphone close enough so you guys get a sound test on how the keycaps sound. By the way, they sound really amazing, but I'll let you guys decide. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now the keyboard it's all set up. This is how it looks on a mouse pad next to your mouse. Looks absolutely great. I love the LCD display right here that, as I said, can be customizable. The RGB can obviously be changed. You have some keys. Make sure you read the manual. As I said, this is their website right here. This is the keyboard, AL80 aluminum LCD mechanical keyboard. I will have a link in the video description down below. If you guys want to buy it, feel free to check it out. It won't cost you anything else. It's just a straight link to this keyboard. To connect it, very simple. All you have to do is just take the USB dongle receiver and transmitter and just plug it into one of your USB slots, 3 USB slots, and it will work straight away. The keyboard, it's absolutely responsive. Any key you press just works straight away. I want to get close to the keyboard right now with the microphone so you guys can get an understanding on how it sounds. I think it sounds absolutely amazing, so let's go ahead and put it to the test now. For people that love keyboard, this is a really nice talky sound and feel. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's all with this keyboard. Again, if you guys want to buy it, I'll have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.